third, so it's on the bottom. So what's happening as we go right to left? Guys,
Right?
you're not usually this rude to me, but you're doing a lot of talking when I'm talking, and it has to stop. Okay, so what's happening when we go right to left? When we go from 8 to 4, what happens?
Well, their whole number.
It is, but like what's happening is, what's the pattern?
They equal 1 by 2.
Divide by 2.
Divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2?
1.
1. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. 1/2 divided by 2 is 1/4. 1/4 divided by 2 is 1/8. If I go the other way, 1/8 times 2 is 1/4. 1/4 times 2 is 1/2. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So on one side it's dividing by 2, on one side it's multiplying by 2. But anything to the 0 power equals 1, and it doesn't matter what that thing is.
No matter what, it's 1.
Right? If it's h to the 0, it's just 1. If it's a million to the 0, it's just 1. In fact, everybody grab a calculator.
Come on, Zach. What the heck?
No, but I don't care.
All right. Type in any number you want on the calculator.
Okay.
Put 9.
Try.
All right.
Put 0.
I put in a bunch of 8s and then a 5, 6, and then I want you to hit the caret sign, which is above the division sign, and then put to the power of 0.
What the heck?
Yeah, quit.
No matter what it is, there should be 1.
69.
Okay. Hilarious.
Just quit.
All right.
Yeah, 0. Whoa. Yeah, 0 doesn't work.
That's because,
5.52, 4, 0.
yeah, 0 is the one that doesn't work. All right. Everybody write down example 5, please. Parentheses. 8 on top. M squared NP on the bottom is going to be 9k squared m to the 4th, and on the outside I want you to write to the 0 power. What's anything to the 0 power? 1. If you see a problem like this where it's a big gross equation on the outside, it's all to the 0 power, the answer is 1.
Can they all be like that, please?
A few of them are. And there's going to be somebody in here who's going to try something really, really hard, and then it's going to turn out just to be 1. They're going to be mad, and
That's gonna be me.
maybe. You do like making slight mistakes and then getting mad about it. All right, example 6. Here we go. This one, I want you to write a to the 4th, b to the 0, over a squared. All right, what happens to that b to the 0? That's just 1. And if I multiply by 1, do I have to write it down? No, so I'm not even going to write it down. So now it's just a to the 4th over a squared, which is the same thing as a squared.
Whoa.
Because there's 4 a's on the top, 2 a's on the bottom. Are you doing good? All right, last one.
Watch. It's gonna be something like.
Example 7. Nope. 56 g squared h j to the 11th over 8 g to the 0 h to the 0 j to the 0. Try it with your partner.
Oh.
So.
Where does the bar? Since the numbers are 1 to 56 goes up to 8. Top five and G two, because they're all the bottom variables.
You'd have 7 on top.
Because they're all zeros.
And then
So.
Answers on the board.
depending on the bottom one, you don't have to write it down, so 7 G to H, J to
Bro, I rock math.
We will finish this tomorrow.